Gold day, everyone. Gold day. So, part 2 tayo nung mga questions ng ating isang Magic Night. So, tapos na tayo sa rejection weeks and range weeks. Dito naman tayo sa buy above levels and sell below levels. Okay. The question is here. I am always plotting this at daily time frame, but sometimes nakikita ko nagpa-plot din kayo sa H4. How do you plot or what are your criterias? Do you plot this sa wick ng candle or sa close ng candle? So, unahin natin yan. So, let's go to trading view. Wick ba or sa close ng candle? So, if you are doing it in the daily time frame, so sample dito yung daily. So ito pala, for clarification, hindi na ako masyadong magamit nito ngayon since fully functional, fully ano na natin, ginagawa na natin yung Soggy King. So alam naman natin yung Soggy King, di ba? Bounce plays or yung pullback na mga plays natin. So dati-dati nung sisimula tayo, breakout play lang meron sa atin, yung SGC. So kailangan natin yun, buy below and sell below and buy above levels, di ba? So ngayon, for the sake dun sa question, pwede nating ano yan. So kung sa daily time frame kayo, makikita natin yung daily time frame. Kukunti lang makikita mo dyan ng mga support and resistances, mga major support and resistances. Usually, kung daily gamit natin ay flat support and resistances sa body ng candle. So, sample ito, yung dalawa na yan. So, there's dalawa. Yan yung magiging major support and resistance mo sa daily. So, when you go down sa H4, then kung magi-intraday ka na, so swak na naman yan eh. Oh, 'di ba? Swak yan. Swak yan doon. Dagdagan mo na lang. Because nagsisqueeze yung price dito. As you can see here, meron tayong nagsisqueeze na price dyan. Parang nagkukonso ba. So, adjust mo yan. Usually, I put it sa H4 sa body ng candle. Okay? So, sa body ng candle. And ang criteria nun is the same. Support and resistances during high volume hours. So, para malaman mo kung saan yung high volume hours, meron kang Lux Algo or kung familiar ka na talaga doon sa ano natin, sa chart, you can turn it off. Pero for the sake na meron tayong makita dyan agad-agad ng mga volume, high volume times, makita natin yung box na yan, London and New York. London, New York. So, usually, doon natin pa-plot. So, meron kang high volume dyan. Okay? High volume during New York. High volume dito din. Sa mga high volume na lang din na area. So, you can see here, ayan, may breakdown. So, ito yung pinaka-support, nag-support, down, then, kinakatok niya pababa. Pataas na naman ulit. So, here, kung magpa-plot tayo, these are the buy above. Lagyan natin, buy above. So, buy above levels yan. Lagyan natin sa gitna para kitang-kita. So, ay, sorry. Center, then sa top. Okay, buy above. And here, palitan natin ng kulay. Gawin natin siya red. Then, sell below. Center, bottom. Ayan. So, you have your buy above and sell below levels. Okay, so I plot it sa body. Body. Doon sa high volume hours. Okay? So now here sa no trade zone naman, no question. So yun. Pag naka-determine ka na ng buy above and sell below, so since kung ayaw mo mag-soggy king, you can put a no trade zone here. So ito yung zone na hindi ka magte-trade kasi walang breakout dyan. Okay? So kung break to, sell ka. Pupunta doon sa targets mo. So, another breakpoint here or mga ganon. So, kung mag-buy above ka, ganon din. Okay? So, SGC ang susundin mo. SGC, hindi Soggy King. And, sunod na question. No question about this. Yun. Alam mo na yung no trade zone. So, dito tayo sa 4 candle breakpoint. What is this and how to utilize it? Once ko lang siya na-observe sa past trade videos and it was plotted inside a no trade zone. No, yun. Tingnan natin. What is this and how to utilize it? Once ko lang siya na-observe sa past trade videos and it was plotted inside a no trade zone. 4-hour candle breakpoint. So, sa 4-hour candle breakpoint is like this. So, parang ito. So, isang breakpoint. Suppose na meron ka ng sell below, candle, 4 hours, break. Diba? So, kung hanapan mo siya ng, ano, yung mga breakpoint na yan. So, sample, eto. Diba, SGC. Diba, SGC. Ayan. SGC to SGC. So, that is your 4-hour candle na breakpoint. I don't know, ito ba yung ano, ibig mong ano, sa akin. Basta ito. So, kung 4-hour, so dyan ang breakpoint, you can target TPs papunta dyan. So, kung mag-sell below ka dito, target 3970 or 3975 kasi meron kang 4-hour breakpoint dyan. Ayan, breakpoint SGC. Okay, so, ayun. Kung dito naman, sa taas, kung mag-buy above ka, so you have the 4-hour, yan, crisis yan, breakpoint. So, ito yung 4-hour na nag-break. So, yung breakpoint is here kasi ito yung naging support dyan dati. This is the breakpoint. So, you can target the 40.69. So, kung gagawin mo tong trade plan, so buy above 40.24 and then expect prices na mag-test dun sa 4-hour breakpoint. So, this is the breakpoint. This is the support. Support. False breakout. Bumalik. Confirm a support here. A high volume support since na-form to London. Dito na-form overlap. So, you have a breakdown candle here. So, this is the breakpoint. So, 40.69. So, yan yung concept. So, buy above. Dun yung magiging target mo. Kung sa sell below naman, so, ulitin natin plot. This is your SGC here. Meron ka dyan. So, this is the SGC yan. Pwede yan maging target. Pero, mas better doon sa high volume tayo. So, here, resistance, high volume resistance. The breakpoint is wala masyadong breakpoint dito sa baba. So, limited tayo. So, dito tayo. Sa 4-hour na to, pinrake yung eto. So, dito sana yan sa SGC but it's an Asian volume. Pwede mo yan targetin. Asian volume. Or kung dun ka sa high volume, much higher is here. So, ito may breakpoint dyan. Yan. And here, may breakpoint dyan. Then you have a range wick. Diba? Ito yung range wick. Pwede mong targetin yung mga range wick. Like here, range wick sa high volume or the breakpoint ng candle. So, it really depends kung ano yung favored mo doon. Okay. So, kung sell below, that would be your target sa 3962. And buy above, 4069. Ayan. So, ayan magiging ano mo, trade plan for an SGC breakout. Okay? But remember na di naman masyadong ginagamit natin ito ngayon since we have the Soggy King. So, pwede tayong mag-soggy dyan. There's a high probability pa na mag-soggy ka, maka-scalp ka pa, or maka-intraday ka pa ng TP. Okay? But if you want, kung breakout lang ang play mo, pwede mo tong gamitin. Okay. Okay. Tuloy na lang natin to. So, time of doing trade analysis. Assuming that I'm not this rather, I really wanted to do a trade analysis. Plotting the above levels. May optimal or specific time po ba kayo na nagpa-plot ng mga buy above levels or sell below levels? I'm doubtful lang if I plot them at 1 p.m. I'm already late to trade Asian sessions. Or dapat pa around 10 a.m. nakapag-analysis na po ako. Ano po yung usual time nyo base? Kasi sa videos as early as 5 a.m. nakapag-analysis na po kayo. And time of execution of trade, you always trade the first 5 to 10 of the start, the 20, 20, 30, 31, 32. What is the significance of the first 5 to 10 minutes before these times, if meron? So, let's do one by one. So, dito muna tayo sa time of doing the trade analysis. So, trade analysis, kung plano mo mag-trade, Asian, London, or New York. So kung Asian, so madaling araw pwede ka mag-plot. Kung maglo-London ka, you take into consideration yung mga candles na na-form during the Asian. And then pag New York ka, you take into account all of the candles ng New York. But still, you can plan ahead, no? So, sample, 5 a.m. ka magpa-planning, pwede mo gawin yon. And then, kung magte-trade ka na sa New York, balikan mo na lang yung levels na ginawa mo. Tingnan mo kung na-break ba siya or hindi, or may confirmation ba, or may nagba-bounce ba, or may false breakout bang nangyari. So, you can always confirm it. Pero kung gusto mo optimal talaga, kasi, ito ba yun? Sabi mo, yeah. So may optimal or specific time. So the optimal time is para sa akin, if you are trading New York, so the optimal time for a breakout strategy like this is you plot it yung patapos na yung Asian, yung wala na yung Asian volume, like 6, 7, mga ganon. 6 or 7, you plot it para pagpasok ng New York, alam mo na yung interpretation or alam mo na yung sentiment ng market na yon na na-absorb na ng London yung Asian move. Okay? So, 6 or 7 kung New York. Pag London naman, it's around 11, 12, or mga ganun sa kalagitnaan ng Asian session. So, 12, 1, pwede ka na sa 1, or pwede ka sa 2. Kasi mag-4 lang naman yung London. Diba? Okay. So, ganun. Pero kung Asian ang gagawin mo, you can plot yun. Mga 5 a.m. Yan, pwede ka galawang Asian. But be very careful. Alam na natin Asian volume. 'Di ba? So, yun yung magiging optimal time mo. So, it depends kung anong session mo siya iti-trade. Now, let's go to the last. Yeah, here. I am doubtful if I plot them at 1. So, pag 1 p.m. ka nag-plot, London session ka na mag-trade. Wag na dun sa Asian. Wag mo na habulin yun. So, kung Asian ka, 5. 'Di ba? So, yun nga, sabi ko. Ano po yung usual time nyo? Si case 5 a.m. Yeah, 5 a.m. Nag-analyze ka. Then, reconfirm it pag malapit na yung session kung saan ka magte-trade. So, time of execution of trade. So, do you always trade in the first 5 to 10 minutes of the start? So, depende. Depende yan, no? So, yung 5 to 10 minutes, so kung bababa tayo sa 30-minute candle, sample yan. So, makita natin yung, diba ito, sample ito. Ayan. So, mukha na siyang magbe-break, 'di ba? So, in the first 5 minutes ng isang candle, ito yung nangyayari. Usually, nangyayari yung mga wicks, no? Mga false breakouts, mga false na mga ganon. Minsan, nagtutuloy naman, no? Kaya nga, yung 5 to 10 minutes, kung ayaw mo ng risky na trade, is that or kung gusto mo ng risky pala, kung gusto mo ng risky na trade with greater rewards, you trade the 5 to 10 minutes. Pero kung gusto much safer, palipasin mo muna yung 5 to 10 minutes. Kasi sa mga 5 to 10 minutes, doon nagkikreate ng mga wicks. 'Di ba? So kung gina natin sa 15 minute yan. Example, ito yung latest na lang, yung latest. So, this is a 30 minutes, di ba? Ito yung latest ng 30 minutes. May wick siya sa taas. So, kung titingnan natin siya sa 15, so, yan. Ito yung dalawa. Then, 10 minutes. Oh, hindi pala pwede 10. Lagyan natin 5. So, oras ngayon, 45. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Oh, yan. So, ito yung 15, 5 minutes na. So, yan. So, ito yung 1500. Yan, 1500. Ito yung first 5 minutes to 10 minutes. Okay, nakikreate siya ng, wait, 1 minute nga. Ayan, ayan. Hanapin natin yung 1500. Ito. This is the, yan, 1500. So, first 5 minutes, di masyadong volatile yan. So, hanap tayo ng medyo volatile. Ayan, 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 ito. 30. 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hindi masyado. Kasi yung first 5, yan. So, 10, di ba? Ito yan, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ayan. O, di ba? So, i-on natin si Lux Algo. Dito tayo sa, hanap tayo nung high volume. Ayan, high volume. Ito. So, high volume, first 5 to 10 minutes ng, ano, mga sessions is, yun, kadalasan nag-create ng mga wicks. So, sample ito, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ayan. Boom. Laki. No? Ang laki. Then, yun nga. Piling-pili naman. So, to be safe, yun. Uh, you can ride the first 5 or you can't. Yan. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, malaking move. So, during the 5 to 10 minutes ng do you always, what is the significance of the first? Yan nga, yung 5 to 10 minutes before this time. So, lalo na pag may mga news, 5 to 10 minutes, palipasin mo muna para umupa yung market. So, based on dun sa mga nakakita natin, most of the time, hindi naman 100%, most of the time, the first 5 minutes tends to be very volatile. And then yun, dun nagkikreate ng mga wicks, no, mga false breakout, mga ganon. Okay? Additional, is this Asian session trading? Is this routine okay for trading Asian? Plot data is 10 to 12 to 1 for entry. Yun, sinabi ko na kanina na pag Asian, madaling araw ka mag-trade kasi sa 10 nandun na yung volume ng Asian. So, if 12, 10 ka or 12 na, so good for London na yung entry mo. So, good for London. Is this routine okay for trading? Make sure nasa zone na by 20. Observing price move, monitoring, execution of trades, criteria met by 21. Pag London, NY, yes, pwede ka. To, 20, 100. So, make sure lang na wala masyadong high impact news para maano mo din yung volatility noon at baka ma-stop loss ka lang or ma-fake out ka. So, always observe lang doon sa mga fundamentals na release. Okay, I guess yun lang ang masasagot natin ngayon. I hope na clear, especially dito banda, medyo ano na. Basta yung ano na to, yung trading na to, yung video na yan, at saka itong mga buy above, sell below, hindi na tayo masyadong gumagamit nito ngayon since meron tayong Soggy King. But if you really like, kung gusto nyo itong gamitin, kung SGC breakout lang, pwede naman to. Right, so that's all for this video. Have a nice day. Gold. Bye.